face, bridge, and job. Ah, you ain't cross face me. You gotta go. Hey, oh. Man, I'm thinking another thing.
That's a sharp one at your face. Yeah. It gets you motivated. Say, like, you know, I think almost how it is. Sorry, another rule. I think they're good rules.
Next one, like,
no, it's the next week. Like my one. Will that fit you? That was fun. I love fighting you. You got one more in you? Okay. You Captain. All right, Captain. Go with work. We got two. Yeah. All right, Captain. Thank you. I love watching you fight. You're such a difficult fighter. It's such a chess match. A speed chess match. Who's up? Oh, you got really good. All right, let's go. Saddle up. Who's up? Oh, who's the you? Protect your face when
are you using that?
you got reach on you.
Or are you just tracking the force?
Go with Steve. Steven. Yeah, but nice. Alright. I felt bone on that one. Good, Mike. Yeah, we all kinds of love it today. Rank beginners.
Another one?
What do you do? All right, Rick. Rick. How much the match record, right? Nice, Mike. Protect your face when
are you using that?
you got reach on you.
Or are you just tracking the force?
Nice. All right, remember it tonight. All right. Reset. Protect your face when you're making an easy target. Move. Nice. Let's see. Cody, you want to go pick somebody? Just look at the time. Sure, saddle up. Good, Cody. Ooh, watch your head, Steve. Nice, Joy. Don't take everything out on Steve, all right? He's a nice guy.
I thought you were like a 65.
Zach, what you looking at, Steven?
Is it possible to give me a 101 or kind of 5 to 6?
Sure.
Like a smart.
Yeah. Who's on deck? Who's on deck?
I'll be on somebody else.
Good. I'm sure about your feet. Watch out. Yeah. Ooh, nice setup.
We're at cartwheel skits, go!
Stephen and Eric and
Time!
good job. Nice.
Time!
Good job. Time. That's good. At some point.
Time!
Oh, okay. Time. Yeah. I'm
On the air overweight.
today or at some point.
Time!
Oh, okay. Time. That's always fun, man. I'm always out of breath with you. Time. That's good. Leave it tonight, Steve. There you go. There you go. Nice. Time. All right. That concludes this. Everybody up here for a picture. Give him your. Good job. Good job. Move back a little. All right. All right. Thank you much, guys. Hope you enjoyed. You have fun? Good. I mean, you guys all know each other. That's fun. Huh? Yeah.